Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. Learning English is fun and we are here to help you. I am Anna. Today is a very special day because the weather is beautiful. It is very hot and the sun is shining. I love the sun. It makes me feel very happy and full of energy. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful time.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom, and I am very happy to be here too. The weather is indeed beautiful today. I love the warm sun on my face. It makes me feel very positive. I feel very good today because we are talking about a place I love. I love the beach. The beach is my favorite place in the whole world. I'm excited to talk about the beach with all of you.
I am happy you are excited, Tom. The beach is a wonderful place for everyone. It is perfect for families, for friends, and for people who want to relax. Before we start, I want to say hello to all our new listeners. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us. When you subscribe, you help us create more English lessons for you.
Yes, please subscribe. And do not forget to give this video a like. We love to see your likes. It tells us that you enjoy our work. Also, tell us in the comments, do you like the beach? Is the beach your favorite place too? We want to read your stories. We are very empathic and we love to hear from you. Now, Anna, let's imagine we are at the beach. What do we see first?
Well, Tom, first we see the sand. The sand is everywhere. The sand is yellow and it is very warm. I love to walk on the sand. It feels soft under my feet. When the sun is very hot, the sand is hot too. Sometimes I have to walk fast because the sand burns my feet. Do you like the sand, Tom?
I love the sand, Anna. I think the sand is beautiful. But you are right, sometimes it is very hot. I usually wear my flip-flops. Flip-flops are simple shoes for the beach. They are very easy to put on and off. With flip-flops, my feet are safe from the hot sand. I have blue flip-flops. What color are your flip-flops, Anna?
My flip-flops are pink. I love pink. They are very comfortable. When we arrive at the beach, we need a place to sit. We need to find a good spot on the sand. I look for a place near the water, but not too close. I like to hear the sound of the water. The water makes a very relaxing sound. It goes shh, shh.
That is a very relaxing sound, Anna. I agree. When we find the perfect spot, we need our things. I have a big bag. Inside my bag, I have a towel. A towel is very important. I put my towel on the sand. The towel is big and soft. I can sit on the towel or I can lie down on the towel. My towel has stripes. It has blue stripes and white stripes.
My towel is very large too. It is important to have a clean towel. I put my towel next to yours, Tom. Now we have a place to rest. But wait, the sun is very strong today. We need protection. We need a beach umbrella. A beach umbrella is like a big hat for the sand. It gives us shade. Shade is the place where the sun does not touch you. Shade is cool and nice.
Yes, the beach umbrella is very necessary. I have a very big beach umbrella. It is red and yellow. I put the umbrella in the sand. I push it down deep so the wind does not take it. Now we have a cool place to sit. We have our towels and we have our shade. I feel very relaxed now. I can look at the ocean. The ocean is so big and blue.
The ocean is beautiful today, Tom. The blue color is very bright. But before we go to the water, we must be careful. The sun is very strong. We need sunscreen. Sunscreen is the cream we put on our skin. It protects our skin from the sun. We do not want to be red like a tomato. I put sunscreen on my arms, on my legs, and on my face.
That is very smart, Anna. I always use sunscreen too. I use a lot of sunscreen on my nose because my nose burns very easily. I also use a hat. A hat is good for the head. And I use my sunglasses. Sunglasses are for the eyes. When the sun is bright, I cannot see well. But with sunglasses, everything is clear and my eyes feel good.
I have sunglasses too. My sunglasses are big and black. I feel very cool with my sunglasses. Now we are ready. We have our flip-flops, our towels, our umbrella, our sunscreen, and our sunglasses. I feel very prepared. I feel happy. I feel safe. It is a beautiful day at the beach, and I'm here with my friend Tom.
I am happy to be here with you too, Anna. I feel very calm. The beach is a place for peace. I look at the people around us. Everyone is happy. Children are playing, people are talking. It is a very social place. But now, Anna, look at the water. The water is calling us. The water looks very fresh and cold. Do you want to go to the water now?
Yes, I want to go. Let's walk to the water. I take off my flip-flops. I leave my flip-flops on the towel. Now my feet are on the sand again. I walk slowly to the water. The sand is getting wet now. Wet sand is different. It is hard and it is cool. I like the feeling of wet sand between my toes.
I'm walking with you, Anna. I feel the wet sand too. It is much cooler than the dry sand. Now we are very close to the water. A small wave comes to our feet. A wave is the water moving. The wave is small and gentle. Oh, the water is a little cold. It is a surprise for my body, but it feels very good because the air is so hot.
Yes, it is cold. I jump a little bit. Whew, the water is fresh. I like it. I want to go deeper. I walk into the ocean. Now the water is at my knees. The water is very clear. I can see my feet under the water. I can see small fish swimming. The fish are very fast. They are silver and small. Can you see the fish, Tom?
Yes, I can see them. They are very cute. The ocean is full of life. Now a bigger wave is coming. This wave is not small. It is a medium wave. I stand strong. The wave hits my legs. Splash! Now I am a little bit wet. I like the salt water. The water in the ocean has salt. You can taste it on your lips. It is the taste of the sea.
I love the taste of the sea. It is a special taste. I want to swim now. I am a good swimmer. I dive into the water. Now my whole body is under the water. It is very quiet under the water. I feel like a fish. When I come up, I shake my hair. My hair is very wet now. I feel very refreshed. I feel like a new person.
You look very happy, Anna. I am swimming too. I move my arms and my legs. I am floating. Floating is when you stay on top of the water without moving much. I look at the blue sky while I float. There are no clouds today. The sky is a perfect blue. This is the best part of the day. I feel very peaceful and very free.
Floating is very relaxing, Tom. I am floating next to you. We are like two boats in the ocean. The sun is warming our faces and the water is cooling our bodies. It is a perfect balance, but we must be careful with the waves. Sometimes the waves are too big. If a wave is too big, it is better to stay near the sand. Safety is always first.
You are right, Anna. We must always respect the ocean. The ocean is very powerful, but today the ocean is kind. The waves are perfect for playing. After swimming for a long time, I feel a little tired. Swimming is a lot of exercise. My muscles are working hard. I think I want to go back to the sand now. I want to rest on my towel.
That is a good idea, Tom. I am a little tired too. Let's walk back to our spot. We walk out of the water. The water runs down our bodies. We are very wet. I find my towel and I pick it up. I use the towel to dry my skin. I dry my arms, my legs, and my hair. It feels good to be dry and warm in the sun again.
I am drying myself too. My towel is a little bit sandy now. Sand gets everywhere at the beach. It is in my hair, it is in my pockets, and it is on my towel. But that's okay. It is part of the beach experience. I sit down on my towel under the umbrella. I feel very comfortable. I think it is time for a snack. Do you have food in your bag, Anna?
Yes, I have a cooler. A cooler is a special box that keeps food and drinks cold. Inside the cooler, I have some fruit. I have some cold watermelon. Watermelon is the best fruit for the beach. It is sweet and it has a lot of water. It helps us stay hydrated. Hydrated means we have enough water in our bodies.
Watermelon. Thank you, Anna. That is very kind of you. I love watermelon. It is so fresh. I also have some bottles of water. It is very important to drink water when you are in the sun. If you don't drink water, you can feel sick. So friends, remember, drink a lot of water at the beach. It is very important for your health.
That is very true, Tom. Health is very important. While we eat our watermelon, we can look at the beach. Look over there, Tom. There are some children building a sandcastle. A sandcastle is a house made of sand. They are using buckets and spades. A bucket is a container and a spade is a small tool for digging.
Oh, I see them. The sandcastle is very big. It has towers and a wall. Building a sandcastle is very fun. I used to build very big sandcastles when I was a child. Sometimes I still like to do it. You need to use wet sand because wet sand stays together. If the sand is too dry, the castle falls down. It is like a little bit of engineering.
Yes, engineering with sand. Maybe later we can build the castle too, Tom. Or maybe we can look for shells. Shells are the hard houses of small sea animals. They are often very beautiful. They have different shapes and different colors. Some are white, some are pink, and some are brown. I love to collect shells and take them home.
Collecting shells is a very nice hobby. I like to find the shells that are perfect. Sometimes if you put a big shell to your ear, you can hear the sound of the ocean. It is a magic sound. Let's walk along the shore to find some shells. The shore is the place where the water meets the sand. It is a very long path for walking.
I love walking on the shore. It is a great way to talk and think. We are walking and the water touches our feet again. Look, I found a shell. It is very small and very white. It is perfect. I will put it in my pocket. This shell is a memory of our beautiful day. I feel very grateful for this moment and for your company, Tom.
I found one too. This one is spiral and it is orange. It is very special. We have two beautiful shells now. The sun is starting to go down now. The sky is changing colors. It is not blue anymore. Now the sky is orange, pink, and purple. This is the sunset. The sunset at the beach is the most beautiful thing in the world.
Wow, Tom, you are right. The colors are incredible. The sun looks like a big orange ball. It is moving down slowly. It is going into the ocean. The light is very soft now. It is not hot anymore. It is very romantic and very peaceful. Everyone on the beach is quiet now. Everyone is watching the sunset. It is a magic moment.
I feel very emotional when I see the sunset. It reminds me that every day is a gift. It is a time to say thank you. I am happy we spent this day at the beach. We learned many words today. We learned sand, waves, ocean, sunscreen, towel, umbrella, shells, and sunset. These are all wonderful English words for the beach.
Yes, and we used many verbs too. We used to swim, to float, to dive, to walk, to build, and to protect. I hope our friends at home enjoyed these words. Practice them next time you go to the beach. You can look at the ocean and say, "The ocean is blue." You can look at the sand and say, "The sand is warm."
That is a perfect way to practice. Well, the sun is almost gone now. It is time to go home. We need to pack our things. I pick up my towel and I shake the sand off. I close the umbrella. I put everything back in my big bag. I make sure the beach is clean. It is important to take your trash with you. We must protect our beautiful beaches.
Absolutely, Tom. Clean the beach and protect the animals. Now we are ready. We are a little tired, but we are very happy. Our hearts are full of sun and salt. Thank you, Tom, for this amazing day. And thank you to everyone who listened to us today. You are all amazing students. We are so proud of your progress in English.
Yes, thank you everyone. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our trip to the beach. And please comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite thing to do at the beach? Do you like to swim or do you like to build sandcastles? We love to read your comments and we answer as many as we can.
We really do. Your comments make us very happy. Subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel for more lessons like this. We have many more adventures to share with you. Learning English is a journey and we are happy to be your guides. See you in our next video. Goodbye everyone. Have a beautiful and sunny day.
Goodbye everyone. See you soon. Enjoy the sun and keep practicing your English. Bye-bye.